Hello everyone, I welcome you all back to my channel. I am Vishit Ramesh, and today in this video we're going to be speaking about operating system for Mac OS. What is an operating system? Operating system lies in the category of system software. It basically manages all the resources of the computer. An operating system acts as an interface between the software and different parts of the computer or the computer hardware. The operating system is designed in such a way that it can manage the overall resources and operations of the computer. Operating system is a fully integrated set of specialized programs that handle all the operations of the computer. It controls and monitors the execution of all other programs that reside in the computer, which also includes application programs and other system software of the computer. Examples of operating systems are Windows, Linux, Mac OS, etc. An operating system is a collection of software that manages computer hardware resources and provides common services for computer programs. The operating system is the most important type of system software in a computer system. In this diagram, we can see that there are multiple users using multiple system and application programs such as compiler, assembler, text editor, and database system, and the operating system and the hardware. The operating system acts as an interface between the hardware and the system and application programs. Objectives of the operating system. It is to make the computer system more convenient to use in an efficient manner, to make the computer system more interactive with a more convenient interface for the users, to provide easy access to users for using resources by acting as an intermediary between the hardware and its users, for managing the resources of a computer in a better and faster way, by keeping track of who is using which resource, granting resource requests, and mediating conflicting requests from different programs and users, providing efficient and fair sharing of resources between the users and programs. Types of operating systems. Batch operating system. A type of operating system that does not interact with the computer directly. There is an operator who takes similar jobs having the same requirements and groups them into batches. Time sharing operating system. It is a type of operating system that allows many users to share computer resources. Distributed operating system. It is a type of operating system that manages a group of different computers and makes appear to be a single computer. These operating systems are designed to operate on a network of computers. They allow multiple users to access shared resources and communicate with each other all over the network. Network operating system, a type of operating system that runs on a server and provides the capability to manage data, users, groups, security, applications, and other networking functions. Multiprocessing operating system. They are used in operating system to boost the performance of multiple CPUs within a single computer system. Multiple CPUs are linked together so that the job can be divided and executed more quickly. Single user operating systems. They are designed to support a single user at a time. Multi-user operating system. They are designed to support multiple users simultaneously. Embedded operating systems. They are designed to run on devices with limited resources such as smartphones, wearable devices, and household applications. Cluster operating system. They are designed to run on a group of computers or a cluster to work together as a single system. They are used for high performance computing and for applications that require high availability and reliability. Real-time operating system. These are the type of operating system that serves a real-time system, and the time interval required to process and respond to inputs is very small. Examples of operating system: Windows, GNU, Linux, Mac OS, used for Apple's personal computers and workstations, Android, iOS. Today we're going to be focusing majorly on Mac OS. History of the Mac OS. OS 10, also referred to as Mac OS 10, is Apple's proprietary Unix-based operating system. Mac OS was introduced in 1984 to run Apple's Macintosh computers. The OS was set up as a GUI, meaning users could navigate using a mouse to select icons and folders, as opposed to having to type commands and text prompts into directories, which Windows OS had at the time. Mac OS was focused on ease of use, popularizing the more intuitive GUI-based OSs used today. The first few versions of the OS had basic features, including multiple folders. Mac OS 10. Mac OS is a computer operating system for Apple desktops and laptops. It is a proprietary graphical OS that powers every Mac. Mac was the first and most widely known microkernel and now forms a major component of Mac OS X. The basic idea behind microkernels is to remove all non-essential services from the kernel, thus making the kernel as small and efficient as possible. The remote services are implemented as system applications. Most microkernels provide basic process and memory management and message passing between other services. Benefits of microkernel. System expansion can also be easier because it not only involves adding more system applications, not rebuilding a new kernel. Mac OS performance is generally quick and responsive due to the OS being optimized for the specific hardware. Apple releases a new version of Mac OS approximately every year. The structure or the architecture of the Mac OS is shown in this diagram. The application environments and common services are interlinked with the BSD and the Mac, which is of the kernel environment. BSD stands for Berkeley Standard Distribution. Features of the Mac OS X. Media features. Users can watch, listen, and read content using applications like music, TV, podcasts, books, and photos. Creativity-based features. Applications such as Photos, GarageBand, and iMovie enable users to view, edit, and create media. Productivity features. Individuals can use applications such as Pages, Numbers, and Keynote to work with graphic tools. Organization features. These help users find notes and other content using applications like Notes, Reminders, Calendar, Voice memos, and Contacts. Accessibility features. Several assistive tools can help users with disabilities such as VoiceOver, Accessibility Keyboard, and Text-to-Speech. Mac OS X. The advantages. Streamlined user interface without compromising functions. Better and consistent operating system and hardware integration. Lesser malware and other security issues or vulnerabilities. Bundled with several free productivity applications. Specialized and incomparable multitasking feature. Integration with other Apple products such as iOS devices. Disadvantages. Mac OS computers and MacBook laptops are very expensive. Limited options or flexibility for upgrading the hardware. Scarcity of game titles and absence of advanced gaming experience. Limited number of apps available in the App Store or other resources. Less hardware used. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you like and share this video. Thank you.